Building upon greatness, the Toyota Camry enters its 9th generation with a fresh new look, enhanced performance and a hybrid powertrain that's made to move. Designed and assembled in North America, the new Camry masterfully amplifies everything drivers love about the current best-selling midsize sedan in Canada, with more power, striking good looks, feature-packed convenience, and capable handling. And now, as a part of Toyota's effort to provide electrification for all, the 2025 Toyota Camry will be an exclusively hybrid electric vehicle, offering a combination of power and fuel efficiency that is ready to take on the daily drive. Powering Camry is Toyota's first-ever sedan pairing of its 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine and the 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system, THS5. Combining the engine's power with 2 electric motors, this dynamic new HEV has a standard 225 net combined horsepower on front-wheel drive, FWD models and 232 HP on electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, AWD-equipped models. The distinctive hammerhead front fascia adds a fresh, clean look that is sure to turn heads. All grades will feature slim LED headlights, daytime running lights and taillights. The SE and XSE grades have sporty exterior styling with a sleek roofline and a chiseled body. The sport grades feature racing-inspired functional aerodynamic air ducts, front side canards and a rear diffuser. The rear also has an exposed dual-tip exhaust as well as a rear lip spoiler. The XSE will further the sporty style with a unique color-matched front grille and black trunk garnish, with available 18-inch multi-spoke black finished alloy wheels on SE grades and standard 19-inch multi-spoke black and smoke gray finished alloy wheels on the XSE. These models will be a sure standout amongst its peers.
Não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz. Pra mim sim é ruim, quase não satisfaz, mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz.
Vamos ficar ricos se nós tem Vamos ficar ricos se nós tem pensão demais. Eu vou lá no salvo, me chama de pai. Na igrejinha me chama de pai. Seu